Using a lip balm before makeup is a must. I'm using the contact lens Dusky Brown by Aquacolor. I've already used my Ashwagandha Bounce Moisturizer and Turmeric Shield Sunscreen by 82E. I'm mattifying my eyes so that I can contour it, but I'm going to do my makeup right on my moisturized face and add the powder foundation wherever required because this is the way I do my daily makeup. I'm using the Naked Cherry palette by Urban Decay. Use whichever you want. I'm going for like a mild maroonish color to contour my eyes. Take it up to the crease line, and if you have hooded eyes, take it further up, and whatever is left on your brush, you can bring it down to your lower lash line. This is the kind of easy makeup I like doing. Give it a try. I'm sure your life will be much easier. Most eyeshadow palettes have a shimmer shade. So use any palette which has a shimmer shade and just take it on your finger and dab it onto the upper eyelid. I just wanted to add a little bit of dimension and shine. A little kohl on my lower waterline, which I will smudge out. Take a smudge brush of your choice. If it's flat, great. Even if it's not, just smudge it out and make it as thick as you want. Smudging your kajal makes it last longer and it doesn't spread. Kind of mattifies it and it stays longer. I'm going to set my eyebrows with a gel. I usually don't draw it, but if you need to use a pencil, go for it. But make sure you set it with a brow gel so it doesn't move. Definitely complete your eye makeup with a good mascara. I'm using a cream blush by Charlotte Tilbury. Please use a blush of your choice. I have dry skin, but if you have oily skin, go with a powder brush. Now I'm not going to contour my face, but if you actually observe the angle in which I am using the blush, that itself will contour my face. I always prime my lips with a nude lip liner. It makes the lipstick last longer as well as gives you an even canvas to work on. I'm using a nude lipstick, so I'm going to define my lips a little more with a darker lip liner. Now I'm going to use my powder foundation wherever required. This way you're not layering your face too much. Some of you wonder why I go with the powder foundation with dry skin. That's because it works out for me based on the fact that I really moisturize my face a lot, and I'm particular about my skin routine, which I've already shared. My makeup is done. I'm going to just touch up my blush and then set it with a spray.